Welcome back everyone to another video made at the warm and sunny island of +65 Singapore. So today for goodbye or goodbye, it's going to be the Google Nest Audio. I actually use the Google Home Mini at home, but anyway, let's unbox this thing. Charging cable and the main speaker. Alright, let's start with the cons of this product. So personally, looking at the design of this, it's not exactly kind of my aesthetics, but I guess it won't stick out like a sore thumb when you put it at home. It's a pretty simple and minimalist design. So outside it's a kind of a cloth mesh. This is the grey variant of it. There is a darker charcoal color. So this is the mute button if you don't want Google to hear what you're saying. So this is the jack where the power goes in, and yeah, clean Google logo design. The bottom is just the anti-slip material. Pretty small. So the second thing is that this speaker is not exactly for you if you're an audiophile. So for those people that are really looking at the top end speakers for the best sound system of your living room or house or room, this might not be the one for you. But of course, with that being said, Google has designed this with several other intentions in mind for a smart home usage, so you can't compare them to the likes of other brands that are really into the audio of it. And lastly, the only other downside that I can think of for this Google Home is that privacy might be something that people are more sensitive to these days. So like I mentioned previously, although there is a mute button here, which I'm pretty sure they will just shut off the mic and won't listen to you, but some people are just still listening to you. Google's recording your voice and so maybe privacy will be a little bit of an issue for some people. And now for the pros of this product. Like I mentioned previously in this video, I actually own the Google Home Mini, so I actually like this product and I actually use it. Why do I like it so much? Simply because of the Google Assistant functions. You know, sometimes you're at home, you're about to go to bed at night, you're reading a book, you're watching the TV or whatever that you're doing, and then when you are finally sleepy, you realize that you have to get out of bed and switch off everything. That is something that I absolutely hated since young. So ever since I had the Google Home Mini, I simply just have to nicely ask Google to do everything for me. Next, the pricing of this Google Home is actually $139 online, and the best deal that I found so far today, it's on Quartz, where they are going for $111 only. There's a 20% discount for online sales. I'm not too sure when will it last until, and this is not a sponsored video. So for $111, it's gonna be the perfect gift. It's absolutely affordable, it's easy to set up. Most of us are actually using Google, so yeah, I think this is a very simple product that you should absolutely get. So that's my verdict for this speaker. I think this speaker is a good buy. So that's it. So let me know in the comment section down below if there are any other products that I should be reviewing. And if you like this video, remember to subscribe, like and comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hey Google, tell me a joke.
One joke, coming up. One cat drinks Kopi C, the other drinks Kopi O. Which one is the Kopi cat?
Was that a joke? Will you subscribe to my YouTube channel? Hey Google, will you subscribe to my YouTube channel?
Nothing is playing on Charlotte's bedroom right now.
Hey Google, do you rap?
Sure, just don't be surprised if I respond with search results. Let me know if you want me to drop a beat for you.
Yes Google, drop a beat.
I've been ready for this moment for a long time.
Hey Google, can you sing?
If you cook until anyhow, everything tastes better when you add sambal.
Hey Google, what is 5 plus 7 times 7 to the power of 181?
The answer is 64245584197643696.